Volber's Funeral Home Immersive Video Project, we were brought a concept by David Hernandez, the owner of Volber's Funeral Home, and he wanted us to create an immersive video system that would show videos or static images behind a casket in a memorial situation that would honor the deceased person. It was extremely challenging and unique project because we had an extra wide wall that he wanted to perfectly fill. To tackle that problem, we used an Epson projector and also a Brightside media player. With that media player, they're able to put up any kind of video or image. They've even used it for presentations, but they also obviously use it for putting images up in a memorial, whether it's a beach scene for someone who loved the beach or mountains for someone who liked hiking. Veterans are honored with American flags. To make it easier for the client, we gave them an iPad that can control the whole system. They also have 4 other TVs in the building, and they could send any of the media to the projector or the 4 TVs. We gave them a list of presets in 9 images that they might want to use, whether it's religious or, like we said, American flags. It was a really unique project because of the nature of a funeral home. You obviously you want it to look good, and you don't want it to be an intrusive technology, so we were able to mount it kind of in the ceiling so it looks clean, and then it also fills the wall perfectly. So it was a really rewarding project because we've heard stories of people who are memorialized and what it meant to them, or we put up a baseball scene for someone who liked baseball, or veterans or religious. It's really cool to see people go the extra mile. I think it's something that's going to grow in the funeral space. David's kind of on the cutting edge of seeing what goes on in that world, and we're excited that Dave allowed us to do this with him, and we hope to do more. It was really cool.